Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve, Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, you can see this in YouTube app. By the way, this is another Bangko Filipino related videos that will be addressed. Importante ito. That will be addressed to Ma'am Catherine Aguirre Hernandez. Yes, tama narinig niyo, Ma'am Cathy. Ma'am Catherine Aguirre Hernandez. By the way, I would like to say Happy New Year because it's already 2025. Ma'am Catherine, by the way, this video is not more on criticize. No, I'm not criticizing. I'm not against or would like to say something bad sa inyo. No. May purpose itong video na ito. By the way, baka si Ma'am Maxi Abad, si Ellen Ramos Gavadan, yung Bangko Filipino Employees Union, may isasubmit na video sa'yo directly. Habang maaga pa, basahin nyo ang video na ito at yung iba ko pang videos na makikita sa YouTube. This is very urgent. Ma'am Catherine, aside sa New Year, itong 2025, I already saw all the videos, yung pagkahuli kay Vice Chairman Perfecto Yasay Jr. yung 2019. Then, yung in-interview siya ni Ma'am Karen Davila sa ANC, I already watched the whole content of this video and I was so shocked. Shocked talaga ako. Alam ko meron kayong alitan sa Bangko Sentral at ang bangko ninyo, itong Bangko Filipino. By the way, we have decided of all Depositor Alliance na kung pwede, iset aside muna ang away ninyo between your bank and Bangko Sentral. Kung meron pa kayong isesettle, halimbawa government securities or GS, kasi it is owned by government, kailangan bayaran nyo na po. Kasi yun na lang ang tanging choice para ma-revive. Ang point ko dito sa video na ito is to revive this bank. Wala kaming kuan sa inyo. Kasi sabi ninyo, ang assets ninyo ay sobra pa kaysa liabilities. Okay, sige. Kasi yung itong mga nangyayaring nakita namin news is maraming fake news. Maraming fake news. And may sinabi si Yasay before siya namatay, if we know lang na blackmail pala kayo, blackmailing pala nangyari, di sana kumilos na kami, depositor. Na defense pa namin kayo. Pero itong ginawa ng Bangko Sentral, hindi makatarungan. Imagine, inaccuse kayo ng fraud, Ponzi scheme, tapos matataas na interest rate na walang basis. So, ang point ko dito, itong video na ito, may mali sa kanila. At saka yung 25 billion down package, nalaman na namin na may kapalit pala. Kaya blackmail. Yung withdraw the case. Syempre, kung ikaw, hindi ka papayag. Kasi may kukolektahan pa kayo eh. Yung 18.8 billion damage suit. So, our Depositor Alliance decided na we will start from the scratch. We will rehabilitate and recover this bank. We will learn the mistakes. Kung ano yung mga pagkakamali natin noon, ibabangon natin uli. Pero I'm gonna tell you, we will start from the scratch. Okay? Tapos, marami tayo re-reconstruct. At saka, we will revive that bank. Okay? So that's it. And I already alam ko na yung tungkol sa application nyo to apply as Universal Banking License. Alam ko na rin yan. Hindi natuloy kasi nga dahil nga yung sa issue na 25 billion loan package na uwi sa basurahan. Alam ko na rin yan. I'm aware of it. Kaya etong 2025, kikilos na tayo. Hindi lang depositor. Again, hindi ko kaya mag-isa. Hindi ako robot. Hindi ako bionic. I need all of us. Tapos yung court hearing, kung ano pa yung court hearing, clear your names para malinis na lahat. Kasi nagtataka kami, lahat kami depositors na makita namin sa Philippine Daily Inquirer, yung Afable, yung apelido, Roberta Afable, Orlando Samson, etong dalawa ay cleared na po. Cleared na sila sa charges. Kaya nagtaka kami lahat, bakit sila lang? Tapos, by the way, may sasabihin pa ako. Yung former director ninyo, si Ramon E. Montaño, ay patay na po. Last July 2, 2024. Last year pa. Nailibing siya sa Heritage Park. That's it. Last but not the least, Ma'am Cathy, I was thinking also kung ma-revive or third reopening itong Bangko Filipino, I was also planning magtayo tayo ng Bangko Filipino Foundation. Aside sa Thomas Aguirre Foundation, your father. Okay? So, yes, tama ang iniisip mo. Magkakaroon ng dalawang foundation. Itong Bangko Filipino Foundation, ito ay may kinalaman sa CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. Later on, I will discuss na ito. So, baka si Ma'am Maxi Abad o si Ellen Ramos Gabadan ang magsasubmit itong video na ito. Kung nasaan ka man dito sa Pilipinas or outside Philippines, let us revive Bangko Filipino at all costs. Thank you so much for listening, ma'am. Habang maaga pa, habang buhay pa ako, etong 2025, this will be a new start. Thank you so much for listening. Good morning and Happy New Year for 2025.